Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. My name is Mary, if you're new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my autumn decorations in the indoor spaces of my home. We're going to start actually with part one, which will include my hearth room where I'm sitting right now, and my kitchen, which is just attached over on this side. I thought I would begin by setting my bare table here and getting it ready for an autumn dinner. Let's go ahead and see what we can do with this and make it look beautiful. Here's my vintage red checked tablecloth, and we'll use this for our primary table covering today. Then we will add these plain white plates at each place. I have a small collection of the Pioneer Women's dishes, that you can get at Walmart. They're very reasonably priced. And I just love this pattern in particular because it looks so vintage and very colorful. Because our temperatures are getting cooler now, I thought I would add these lovely soup bowls because there's nothing better than soup on a chilly day, is there? Now all of these pieces are Pioneer Woman pieces, and these mugs I just like so much. They're very similar to the soup bowls. We'll place one by each place setting. I'll be using these plain white napkins. They're cloth napkins for each place setting at the table. We have lots of color and we're going to be adding more shortly, so we'll stick with plain white. And I'm not going to be doing any fancy napkin folding or anything. I think I'm just going to go with a folded napkin. We'll place them around now. We'll be using 4 pieces of flatware for each place setting. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I have a very colorful table, but I'm just going to be using this plain lift for my centerpiece. Next, I'll be adding a lace thrifted and definitely vintage doily with a turquoise colored pumpkin. Next, a fall tablescape would not be complete without darling little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. Of course, a dinner would not be complete without a beautiful candle. And this one, the fragrance is called Autumn Pumpkin. I've also added 2 taper candles, and now for some glassware. Now let's have a close-up look at our tablescape. Let's tour here in my small hallway, which leads from my garage and enters into my powder room right here. I like to add some fall decor to this little powder room. This small hallway is so tiny. I have a pantry on the left and the door to my basement on the right. And then we enter my kitchen area. I do love real candles. They're so warm, but I only burn them when I know I will be in that room, just for safety reasons. And you'll notice my faux candles are not turned on. I have them set to come on about 5:30 each evening. This is a thrifted plate. Isn't it beautiful with those autumn colors and those cute ducks? Those pumpkin lights that you can see here are ones that I got from Amazon. And a little bit later on in the video, if you stay tuned until the end, you'll see that I have these lit up in the evening. In fact, I'm going to be putting several photos at the end of the video for you to see my decor in the evening lights with my faux candles lit up as well. I love them because they are very safe, no fire worries and so on, and so reliable. Here's a peek at my bottle collection, which I just love. They are so colorful all year round. This is my handmade wreath with dried florals. I probably created that about 5 years ago at least, but I still do love it. Here's a tip for you. I have this thrifted frame that cost me maybe $1. I repainted it, and for every season you can change out the picture that you put in it. In this case right now it's fall. But I do enjoy changing it, and all I do, guys, is take a picture that I like online and print it out on regular computer paper and then just switch it out inside the frame. Here are my picnic baskets that I've been collecting. They're so cute. And here's a photo of my mother's family when they lived on a farm in southern Illinois. I think it was back like in the 30s. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. I have more coming, of course, and I would like to wish you all a happy autumn season today and throughout the season until, that special time of Christmas comes. Here are my cute little pumpkin lights. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you again next Friday. Bye for now.